to Kyle's Meditation. In this YouTube video, so ngayon naman ay pag-usapan natin ngayon ang mga bagong trends, no? So may mga trends na dapat pag-usapan for the month of March aside from the second pandemic that I noticed. So I think for this week, no, for the entirety of the week, so marami kasing mga haka-haka, marami mga agam-agam na the Iran thing, no? So, sabi nila sa akin, do you remember what happened to Afghanistan, though? It was a big thing back in the day, but what happened? It subsided quickly. So, the devil is just distracting people from... Napansin niyo ba mo sabi sa akin, mula pumasok noong 2020, ba't parang gumulo? Naalala mo ba noong 1920? Ganon din. Bumulusok din yung World War I. So, sabi nila, hindi, dinidistract lang kayo ng tao. So, gusto nila magkakaroon ulit ng World War I, World War III. Kaya nga ito, this is a warning video na ito ulit yung gagawin nila. So, this is the same propaganda that they're gonna do. Siyempre, medyo high-techin lang nila. Siyempre, medyo high-tech na yung 2020 kaysa noong 1920. So, sabi ni Lord, they just want the Antichrist to come na. They want their 3.5 years so bad because they've been suppressed into their own kingdoms for a very long time. But the Lord is sad that after that, they will be imprisoned for another 1,000 years. By the way, sabi ni Lord, there will be a separate video bakit ganun yung sequencing ng events. Pero, siguro mga June pa or July because hindi pa raw siya timely to discuss. Bakit may 24 elders? Bakit may mga trumpets? Bakit may mga plagues? Bakit may 1,000 years? I mean, hindi lang siya basta-basta to fulfill biblical prophecy. No. There is an actual reason for this one. There is a practical reason. And by the way, so, in eschatology, there is a millennial, a post-trib, and a mid-trib, or a pre-tribulation thing, no? So, from the get-go, ang sabi sa akin ni Lord, so, the Lord is a pre-trib. Take note, so, this is the correct one. So, the Lord is a pre-tribulation person kasi sabi sa akin, bakit ko papapahirapan yung mga taong sumasampalataya sa akin? I don't see any sense of that. Ano yung sinasabi na hanggang yung sinong makakatis hanggang wakas siya maliligtas? Sabi nila, that's the struggles about life. It doesn't talk about the rapture. This passage talks about how people will finish the race of faith in their lives. Sino man makakatiis, sino man ang magpe-persevere sa mga pagsubok ng buhay ang siyang maliligtas. That's the proper interpretation of that. It does not tell you that this is how the rapture will go. No. The Lord is a pre-tribulation God. Okay? Not mid-trib, not post-trib. This is from the Lord Himself. So, may mga chance pa naman pero super hirap na daw. It's so slim. Yung maliligtas during the 3.5 years, especially on the second side of the 3.5 years. Siguro, bilang lang, sabi ni Lord, kasi sobrang paghihirap na yan, mukha lang siyang innovative, pero sobrang hirap din ang pagdadaanan nila dyan. So, for those people that will not have the mark of the beast shall be trialed, hindi pa nga papatayin agad eh. Papahirapan muna, tapos papahirapan ulit. Hindi nila papatayin agad. Papahirapan muna nila kasi ang sabi ng Diyos, kasi pag pinatay na nila yan, wala na silang hirap. Babalik na sila sa kaharian ng Diyos. So gusto nila, pahirapan para talagang mahirapan talaga yung tao na mabuhay. Kasi they will find death, but they will not find it. They will find death, pero death will not gonna be with them. That's how the post-rapture goes. Kaya nga sabi ni Lord, be saved, follow my tenets because the time has come. Sabi din sa akin, it's near. In the eyes of the Lord, it's already the end. This is the end times, brethren of the Lord. Malapit na ang dumating ang Panginoong Jesus. So, in the eyes of the Lord, it could be a second. In the eyes of the Lord, it could be a minute. So, sabi sa akin, Lord, don't be distracted by the second pandemic. I mean, it's just a strategy to implement the World War III. Yan, take note, World War III is what they actually want. Not the, sabi ko, so, ganun pala. So, World War pala gusto nila. Yes, indeed. So, the details of the war will be on the next video. So, is it just a war? So no, it's not just a simple war. There will be biological war. They have not specialized into this one before. There will be chemical war. There will be nuclear war. The destruction will be so massive that a lot of people will die. Sabi nila, the World War III will be the death of a third of all the populace on Earth. Sabi nila sa akin, that's what they want. So, kung hindi nila makuha sa bakuna, sa gera nila kukunin. They need more people in hell. Despite hell is already overpopulated. They need new blood to drink. They need more of this energy to mock the Lord. So, huwag nyo nadagdagan yung kasayaran ng demonyo. Be righteous. Sabi ni Lord, dagdagan naman ninyo ang mga tao sa langit. Halos wala daw. Heaven, the kingdom of heaven is much bigger than the kingdom of hell, but the kingdom of heaven has much more fewer people. Sabihin na natin 1:100,000 or even more ang ratio. Yung isang tao sa langit, 100,000 na tao sa impyerno. So, that's how many it is from the history of time. So, sabi ni Lord, they were revivals, but even though they were revivals, marami pa rin hindi nakapunta sa langit. So, yung iba nakijive lang, pero hindi talaga nila sineryoso yung pathway towards heaven. So, yun nga, ang bili ni Lord, dagdagan nyo naman. So, 1:100,000 ang ratio natin. The Lord is not kidding. Hindi naman laki-laki ng langit, pero ganoon ka-konti yung tao. So, tinanong ko, inisip ko, dadami ba yan? Anytime soon, sabi rin, hindi. Ganoon din, konti lang talaga. So, well. Oh, wow. That is something else. So, I mean, something that we need to ponder about. So, World War, tao iniisip, gera, paano kakain? Hindi man lang iniisip, paano pupunta sa langit? Tamaan na yung mga tamaan. Kasi sabi nyo, pag namatay na may tao, wala naman kwenta lahat ng pangarap niya sa lupa eh. Bakit hindi mo na lang unahin yung langit? Total naman, pwede ka naman bumuo ng pangarap sa langit. You will have much easier. The learning curve of all of the competencies in heaven is much less compared to the learning curve that is on earth. So, think of it. I mean, all of these things, all of the mess, all of the clutter is just an illusion. If you realize what I'm saying, then the Lord is already with you. I'll see you next time. God bless. Oh. Wag na ninyong guluhin yung utak nyo. No. That's not how Christianity works.